In a hole in the ground, there lived a hobbit. Not a nasty dirt wet hole filled with the ants and worm ooze smell, nor yet a dry bare sandy hole with nothing in it sit down or to eat. It was a hobbit hole, and that means covered. It had a perfectly round door like a porthole, painted green, with a shiny yellow brass knob in the exact middle. The door opened onto a tube-shaped hall like a tunnel. A very comfortable tunnel without smoke, without paneled walled and floors tiled and carved. This is so fucking hard.